Hello viewer, hope you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about the KOC University Turkey Scholarship 2024 International Students Fully Funded. Call for the KOC University Turkey Scholarship 2020 in Turkey. All international students from all over the globe are encouraged to apply for Turkey Scholarship at KOC University. The KOC University Scholarship is for those who want to study MS, MBA, Masters, LLB or PhD using a fully funded scholarship. There are almost 70 academic fields are available to study with KOC University Scholarship. There is no application fee for the Turkey Scholarship 2020 in the Graduate School of Social Sciences and Humanities, Graduate School of Sciences and Engineering and Graduate School of Health Sciences and Graduate School of Business. KOC University is the meeting point for the graduate students to study in Turkey. KOC University is a non-profit private university in Istanbul, Turkey. It started education in temporary building in Estonia in 1993 and moved to its Karlslunde campus near Sarıyer in 2000. KOC University is the ranked number 1st in Turkey according to the 2018 Times Higher Education World University rankings and on top 31st in Asia. KOC University Turkey Scholarship 2020 Brief Description. University, KOC University. Degree level, Masters and PhD. Scholarship coverage fully funded. Eligible nationality, international. Award country, Turkey. Last date different for every course. Financial benefits. KOC University Turkey Scholarship 2020 is a fully funded international student scholarship in Turkey for international students to study MSc programs and PhD programs. The following expenses will be covered. For master's degree scholarships, 100% full tuition scholarship, monthly stipend, accommodation, other benefits. For PhD degree scholarship, 100% tuition scholarship, monthly stipend, accommodation in the KOC University, health insurance, office space, laptop, travel grants, available fields of study. There are more than 70 graduate programs available for the full master degree scholarship and PhD degree scholarship at KOC University. All the courses are available in English. The fields of study to study in KOC University Turkey Scholarship for international students are Graduate School of Business, MBA, Tech MBA, Executive MBA, MSc Finance, CEMS Masters in Management, CEMS MIM, KOC University Masters in Management, KUMIM, KOC University Masters in Management, double degree with University of South Carolina, the Darla Murray School of Business, PhD Business Administration, Graduate School of Social Sciences and Humanities, MA and PhD Archaeologies and History of Art, MA Comparative Studies in History and Society, MA, MD and PhD Design, Technology and Society, MA and PhD Economics, MA and PhD International Relations and Political Science, LLM Private Law, LLM Public Law and PhD Law, MA and PhD Psychology, MA European Joint Master in Social and Cultural Psychology, Global Minds, PhD Sociology, PhD History, Graduate School of Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Biomedical Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Chemical and Biological Engineering, MSc and PhD Computational Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Computer Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Electrical and Electronic Engineering, MSc and PhD Industrial Engineering and Operations Management, MSc and PhD Chemistry, MSc and PhD Material Science and Engineering, MSc and PhD Mathematics, MSc and PhD Mechanical Engineering, MSc and PhD Molecular Biology and Genetics, MSc Optoelectronics and Photonic Engineering, MSc and PhD Physics, Graduate School of Health Sciences, MSc Medical Physiology, MSc Medical Microbiology, MSc Reproductive Biology, PhD Reproductive Medicine, PhD Neuroscience, PhD Cellular and Molecular Medicine, MSc and PhD Nursing, Turkish only. Required documents for Turkish scholarship. To apply for the KOC University Turkish Scholarship 2020, you need to prepare following documents. Ready these documents and apply for the award. Statement of Purpose, SOP, updated resume, CV, academic transcripts and GPA, diplomas, English language proficiency test result, referee contact details. Other documentations may also be required. See specific program requirements. Application deadlines. There are different deadline dates for the KOC University Turkish Scholarship 2020 at KOC University. Varies from program to program. You can check them at link are given in description. How to apply for KOC University Scholarship. There is an online application system to apply for the KOC University Turkish Scholarship. The link to the application form and official advertisement link is given description. Note, after the interview, if you are offered admission into the program, you will also automatically receive a scholarship offer. There are no additional forms to apply for a graduate scholarship at KOC University.